So in this video, you'll learn how to delete a contact on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So deleting a contact is fairly simple. All you need to do is just start by opening the Contacts app. Next, locate the one that you wish to delete and you can tap on it to select it. From here, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen, and in this menu, select Delete. Confirm that you wish to move it to the recycle bin, and the contact will be deleted from your device. If you've decided that you want to delete multiple contacts, then it's also still fairly simple. Start by selecting the contact, and then choose the others that you want to delete. Once you've selected them, at the very bottom of the screen, you should see this toolbar. Look for the option Delete All, and tap on it, and then select Move to Recycle Bin. Once you've done that, you'll see your contacts have been successfully removed from your phone book, and if you navigate to the recycle bin, you'll notice your contacts listed right there. And so that's how you can delete contacts from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.